Hi guys, today is another day. I'm going to attempt to change the cam follower. So here is the new cam follower. I also got some additional engine lube. So this is the pump, and this is where the cam follower is located. So first I'm going to be taking off these two connectors. Okay, so the cap here, I'm going to remove this. However, once I take it off, I'm going to use some Sorry, we've got the dogs barking in the background. Anyways, I'm going to place some towel or just any cloth underneath, because there's going to be fuel escaping from this. After struggling for a bit, I managed to release some pressure. Okay. Now I'm taking the 13 spanner and I'm just gonna Now I have access to the T30s here. Now I'm going to remove the PCV hose just to get better access. Now here I'm going to be using the 17 spanner. I'm sure I have enough flex to get it out. Okay, I managed to pull the pump out. Now, as you can see, that's where, what's it called? The cam follower is. Okay, so that's the old cam follower out. All the ceramics are missing, as you guys can see, the inside. Now I'm just going to clean off, well, all the oil there. Okay, now let's have a look at the new one. Right, so this is the new cam follower compared to the old one. Okay, so now I've got the engine lube that I'm going to be, well, coating it completely. Okay, so now I've got a nice shiny blue seal to add on instead. The pump is back in. There we go. I'm gonna put the T30s on. So I got some new ones. that's the new cam follower we're in. Let's start the car. So I just changed the suspension and the suspension warning light keeps popping up and there's no way I can delete it. I checked online to see the delete kit and it costs an absolute fortune. So here I am instead with a few things. As you can see, I will be making my own delete kit from scratch. Yeah, you heard me right, from the very beginning, and hopefully it will fix the warning light problem. Hi guys, I am back. So today I'm going to be I've got the new launch professional kit and it's the 123X model, and basically it's this OBD connector that I'm going to put into the OBD port, which is right under the dash here. And as well, I'm going to try and remove as many of these lights that are popping up on my dash, as you guys can see here. I'm going to try and remove all of them today, and hopefully it will be a success. Okay guys, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the kit. So as you can see, it comes in a nice kit, very neat. Okay, so inside is the display tablet. Then we get the user's manuals and instructions, but I've already read through them, so I will know how to use it. We also have the charging cable. And lastly, we have the OBD cable for the port. And that's it. Okay, so I've already plugged one side of the cable into the OBD port here. So it's in there secure. And then the other side is gonna go into the actual display tablet. Make sure it's the right way around. Okay. Now I'm going to turn on the ignition, and it's going to hopefully find the VIN code. So yeah, it's correct. It is an Audi at least. And now we're going to check the system. So as you can see here, there is a fault. So the brake electronics, it says, and the airbag. Right, now let's what? Right, I can't see anything. I have to